In this video, I will show you how to share period tracker on Clue. If you want to share your cycle info with someone, like a partner or a friend, here's how to do it in Clue. First, open the app and tap the two-bar icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then select Clue Connect. Take a quick second to read the guide so you know how it works. Once you're ready, tick the box to agree to share your cycle data. Next, tap Send Invite. If you haven't already, you will need to have a plan active, so either make sure you have subscribed or tap the option to start a free trial if it's available. It's a simple way to keep someone in the loop. And that's how to share period tracker on Clue.